It's nothing like making money in the open market. It's nothing like pressing some buttons, having a, an assumption and strategically placing a trade based on that assumption and being able to make money even if you're wrong. Being able to use options to make money irrespective of market direction. Let's talk about making money. Let's talk all the different facets of making money that people are talking about these days on YouTube and other social media platforms. Everyone is talking about a side hustle. People are talking about ride sharing, bounce houses, Airbnb, all these different type of side hustles. But you don't hear people talking about trading as much as you did in the past, about using it as a side hustle. In this video, I want to kind of convince you that trading is the best side hustle out there by far. But it doesn't only have to be a side hustle, it can be your primary hustle, it can be your primary source of income. Trading is unlike any other type of money making vehicle out there. If you were going to do ride sharing, you're going to have to be able to have a car, maintain that car, and physically drive someone around day after day after day. Short term, that's not a problem, but and it could for some people be a full-time gig, but it's not trading. You have a bounce house. You can buy bounce houses and have a truck and a trailer, and you can advertise online and have people buy your bounce house, and you can deliver it and put it up, and then you can come back and take it down, and that's a process, right? That's a process, and you have to invest in some really quality bounce houses. And if you're going to do an Airbnb, you're going to have an extra room, perhaps, if you're just going to rent out a room, or you're going to have to buy a property to be able to Airbnb out your entire property. And that's work. You're going to have the it clean. You're going to have the maintenance done. You're going to have to, pay the mortgage and have repairs done. All of these different things has to be executed with that type of process. Okay? And so, and if you were going to make real estate, for example, because I've always hear people say, well, real estate is better than trading. And maybe some trading, but not option trading. And that's what we specialize in at the Dorian Trader, making money using options. It's nothing like that out there. It's nothing like options, period. Even real estate. Real estate, it can be attractive, especially on a longer term type of basis. And it can be attractive if you can learn how to flip houses, but you still have to have a decent amount of capital to get started. But options, you can start a one man or one woman insurance company trading options in the open market with no inventory, right? No overhead. Only thing you need to do is be able to have a little capital to get started, right? 5, 10, 15, $25,000, just a little capital to get started. And you can start making some significant money that can be life changing, can really be an awesome supplemental income that you can count on or be your primary source of income. We're talking about making money. It's nothing like making money in the open market. It's nothing like pressing some buttons, having an assumption and strategically placing a trade based on that assumption and being able to make money even if you're wrong. Being able to use options to make money irrespective of market direction. That is absolutely phenomenal and fascinating, to be a one woman or one man insurance company open market, or be the casino, be the house trading using options. You can make 1% a day, 2% a day, 2% in a week, 10% in a week. It can be phenomenal how much you can make using options. Just have to learn it. You have to put in the time. Just like if you're going to flip houses, you have to learn how to flip houses. If you're going to do ride sharing, you have to learn ride sharing. Believe it or not, it's not a big hurdle to learn, but you have to learn something. If you're going to do bounce houses for a side hustle, you have to learn it. You have to understand the process, which bounce houses are the best to buy. I want to encourage you to learn a trade. Learn to take money from the markets without having to have a significant amount of capital. Yes, this game is a linear game. The more capital you have, the more you can make, but you don't need a significant amount to get started like you do with so many other things. If you're interested in learning about trading, we are happy to help. You can change your life through trading the markets. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.